That's the symbol of the Air Force of Heaven. Switching the kingdom. Good morning. Yeah, I read that Boeing, the aircraft manufacturer, wanted to give 35% of salary more to the staff. That's incredible. 35%. Are they swimming in money, like you say in Germany? Schwimmen die nur im Geld? They, they must have a lot of money. The problem of Boeing is not that the dollar is too high. It's expensive now to buy a Boeing compared with Airbus. And they are not so different. Yeah, I mean, Airbus is safer, but Boeing is still very, very safe. That's why we have 2023, the safest year in flight aviation ever. We never had so little accidents last year, so little deaths. Also because of Boeing. When half of the aircraft is Airbus, half the aircraft is Boeing. That's incredible. And there have been scandals, and I think they have repaired the software. And I have flight with Boeing 737. I have no problem with that. Well, it's a reliable aircraft. And it's from the 60s, 70s, I don't know. It's still working. I mean, they have modernized it over and over. But good. It's still working very well. Good. You don't have to be afraid to fly in a Boeing. It's a stupid idea. They're still very, very safe. And also, aviation will in the future be much a very important role because we will fly more and drive less. Oh, that you know. And it's also more ecological than the car because they don't need the entire infrastructure of the road. It takes a lot of nature as well. They can plant trees where there are true roads. They can plant trees. Keep that in mind. I already told you. A full aircraft, a full Boeing 737, consumes the same amount of gasoline like a full car. And how many cars are full? Almost none of them. So the aircraft is much more economical, despite it is much less space. Just the aircraft, and, the airport, and the transportation to the airport. Uh, so aviation is the future. Yeah? It's not the present. It's the future. We will fly much more, get comfortable, don't make pressure on aircraft. And Boeing has also a military part. They, they'll, the civil aircrafts are safe, they're economic, they're modernized, and our weapons are lawful. Boeing's weapons are lawful. Not something you should mess up. Good. hmm Yeah, like the F-15. F-15 is Boeing. Yeah. Good. Something else. The Boeing shares several rights, and we need more aircraft, not less. But you know it. Good.